Peace, love, peace, and hair grease. Peace and salutations. My name is Michael J. Turner. I'm the Southwest Shaman, the Earl of Arizona, and you are now shining with the Arizona sun. Thank you for being you. Thank you for being here, which is wherever you're at. Coming with love from Arizona. This is StereoPHX 888, a channel about growth on YouTube, personal development, and how I'm changing my life from low vibe to high vibe. I can't save you. I'm not here to tell you what to do, but I am here to share with you how I'm saving myself. And I just want to take a moment right now. Let's take a moment of silence for everything that we love. Everything. Because you know what? I love the smell of cannabis. I just gotta say that. I just want to say that. Just want to say it, yo. For right now, I don't know. But, so, check it out. This is the get down right now. You can see my grill. You know, and, what I'm gonna do is embark on this little thug thizzle. And anybody who is interested in doing this, hit me up in them comments. Because I have this thing right here. Look, man, check it out. So look, I'm gonna be doing this thing so I can just get, and look, you might even see my teeth and think, and maybe you might think like, oh yeah, his shit ain't that bad. He's got this chunk missing, whatever. Look, yo, I'm gonna tell you straight up now. I'm gonna tell you straight up and down. My back, this is all that there is. Like, there's nothing back here. Up top, they're there, but back here, it's gone. Okay. Look. So look, man, pretty soon you're gonna be able to see me up on here with a new front grill. You know, I already appear on the videos with the rose gold grill. But yeah, this is one way I'm saving myself. Cause look, man, it takes a lot of cash. It takes a lot of scratch, if you will, to go to the dentist. And I can't go to Mexico right now because I'm still on probation. But look, I'm excited about this, and I'm actually we're kind of having to finagle the bagel to do this. And I don't know if I'm showing it long enough for you to see exactly what it is, but you get the idea of what it is. And yeah, like I said, man, like, I'm saving myself because it takes a balance of being able to move in the spiritual realm, the physical realm, in and out of dimensions of myself. But how I'm perceived, I could care less, but like, it's a necessary factor, right? See, look, even right now, you see me a certain way, with the tattoos and etc., etc. Even when I put the grill in, which I got it right here. See? Hold up, wait a minute. Yeah, even when I have the grill in, now I'm being perceived a certain way. So once I put these teeth in, that I'm gonna do, and I'm gonna do the process. I'm gonna do another video where I actually just document the whole process. We'll probably do that in the morning, because right now it's about 10 o'clock in Bird City, in sunny Phoenix, Arizona. Peace, everybody. Peace. Yeah, so it's just all about at my point in the game, at my stage in the game. You know, I gotta think about these things if I can, for a number of reasons. I don't have to put that forth to y'all. Enough said on that. I just spent some time investigating the true origins of my, well, basically of mankind, of the human race. So it's knowledge of self. I just have a fascination with where it is I come from. I lost my father when I was 19 years old. He died of leukemia. And this was 2 months after I got shot in the face, right here, and then the bullet went into my neck. Right there. Okay, look. There it is. See that scar? Now, I was 19. This was in 2006. But I just didn't get introduced to a lot of information about even what he knew, even what my father knew. You know what I'm saying? So that's what I'm getting at. That's basically what I'm getting at. And as you can see, my face is doing better. It's just amazing, you know. I'm kind of tired right now, man. I'm checking in on this thing. But I'm going to take this out. Look, I'm checking in. I just want to check it. This is basically what this is. This is a check-in. I'm going to let y'all know exactly what I'm doing to save myself. This is the plan. Got this. Once again, it's called Pop On At Home Impression Kit. So we're about to do the video in the morning. I had to create a little bit of a rugged Saturday, you know. I'm not 20 years old no more. But it's not like I couldn't. Here's what's crazy, man. Is I can still do it as though I am. But what have I got to prove here? What am I trying to prove? What am I trying to prove, man? But I'm grateful and enthusiastic for this YouTube thing. And that's why I'm here, man. And I'm here with any information I can give to anybody who just wants to make a change in their life. Because I'm the ultimate example. And when you see me and you examine me as a person, don't stop at any point. Like, leave no part unexamined. Because I'm willing to put it all out there. I could give a damn. No, it's not even about not caring. It's about being like willing to do that because of what I've gone through. And understanding that that's necessary. I'll tell you exactly what the hell has been going on with me. So anyway, yeah, man, I'm just working at falling in love with myself more and more as I go every day. And I set no intention for this video. I just kind of was like, I knew I needed to get on here and talk about this and the art. Oh, by the way, I'm about to make some artwork that's gonna be out of this off of the charts, out of this world. Okay, it's just going down. For real. And I don't know why I feel the need to text the individual that the art's for right now to tell them, but because I got all the material. Matter of fact, saving myself. Check it out. For me, it's all about my passions and my crafts, and these are the things I've held on to no matter what I've been doing in my life, right? No matter what has been going on in my life, I've held on to these things. These are the things I've developed, that I've chosen to develop. But anyway, so I've got this. This is going to be made into I'm going to take this inside shit out. It's in the frame, but I got all the paint I need and stuff. I'm going to make basically a painting for somebody's business. It's going to be a logo design for them. Look, I finally got a shot where I don't look like a fucking extreme crackhead. Or maybe I still do. Whatever. I don't know, I probably shouldn't have said that. Look, number one thing I can encourage people to do, amongst all the other number one things I can encourage a person to do, because there are many, but above all, it's all about self-talk. Self-talk. And I have family that like, it hurts me whenever they talk to themselves in a way that is like downing themselves. But so in 2025, I'm trying to make a commitment to myself to not talk about myself in a way other than something that's positive and building for myself. Yeah. So let me just show this one more time. In the thing, this is what's going down in the next video. So watch the next video for me actually doing this. And what else, man? Shout out to Camo. Shout out to Camo Raps. It's my joint right there. It's my jam. All right, this would be good. I don't know. For some reason, earlier, right? Does it ever just really bother you when you have like you embark on a loosely laid plan and it doesn't exactly work out and you have to adapt, but for some reason it's just one thing that like you're kicking yourself because it didn't go exactly the way you thought you wanted it to, or you thought you could get it to go. I'm just tripping out. Whoa, that's all from my teeth, I guess. Tripping out about something earlier that happened when I went to the dispensary and I left. I knew I needed a little bit more money, but I left the crib with a certain amount and I got there and I just didn't have it. I just didn't have the right amount, and I just kicking myself for some reason about that. But now that I'm talking about it and making a video about it, I'm feeling a lot better. So let me just encourage the power of recording yourself, processing whatever. I may watch this back, I may not, but this is a tool for anybody to follow, as once again I am the example of these methods of personal development. And the fact that my personal development is different from yours makes it abstract. Maybe it does, maybe it doesn't, but I like to call it abstract personal development. Mine is very abstract because, like I said, I was going to the dispensary earlier. Some people might automatically be like, what's up with that? Like, why is he smoking weed? Cannabis, motherfucker. Yo, anyway, love, peace, and hair grease, man. I'm gonna shut this one off early because I don't even really know exactly where I'm headed, other than just giving the update of I'm doing fine, I'm doing very good, and this is what's going down in the next video. And the art, I just really want to talk about that. I just had to make something and put it up. Alright, so yeah, man. Content creation, loving it. Oh, and we took a moment of silence at the beginning, because for everything that we love, because I'm loving this. I'm just loving it. I'm loving this. And I need some more tattoos, man. I need some leg tattoos. So let's get it popping. 2025. Let's get that. Let's get the cream in order. Let's get the cash crops picked, cultivated, so we can get it piz nopping. All right, non stopping. Love, peace, and hair grease, y'all.